Hey guys, welcome back. So we're back again with another short video tutorial, and in this video we will be learning how we can fix when we have a very slow laptop and we want to increase the speed of it. So please to finish watching this video till the very end. The very first thing we need to do is to go to the edit power plan settings. So please go to your Windows search tab there, type edit power plan or power, and then you will get under best match the edit power plan option. So just please click on that and then you will get this edit plan settings window here. All you need to do is just to click on this change adapt or change advanced power settings. Once you do that, you will get this power options window coming up. All you need to do is just to select the high performance or ultra high performance option here in the drop down button, and then once selected, please click on apply, click on OK, and then close this window and then just make a quick restart with your device and you're good to go. The next thing you need to do is to go open the task manager, and we will be disabling all the startup apps that are unnecessary or unwanted during startup. So by the way, to open the task manager, simply make a right click here in the Windows icon and then go click on this task manager button here, or you can just simply make a right click here in the taskbar and you will get this task manager option also. So once you're in here, all you need to do is just to go to the startup apps option. You will get this left pane here by clicking this three horizontal line icon and then go click on the startup apps. Once you're in here, all you need to do is just to disable all the applications that you determine unnecessary during startup. And to disable them, just make a right click, click on disable button, and then just do the same with all the applications that are unwanted or unnecessary during startup. Once done this one, just close this window and we will proceed with the disk cleanup. So please open your run window, and you can do that by simply going to your keyboard, press the Windows R key all together, and here we need to type clean mgr. Once you're done with this one, or once you're done typing, just please click on OK or enter, and then you will get the disk cleanup for local disk C window. All you need to do is just to select here the files that you want to be deleted from your device. All you need to do is just to make a check on the box before the item or option here, and then click on this OK button, and then all the files that have been selected will be permanently deleted from this device. Once you're done with this one, we will proceed with another command, which is the temp. So open again the run window and then type temp, click on OK or enter, and then we will get here all the bad files, the bad registries, the cache files, and the junk files from your device. All you need to do is just to select everything, and you can do that simply by pressing the Control A button and then click on delete button there in your keyboard or in the screen, which is this icon. Once you click on that, everything will be deleted and some items will be skipped because they are still currently being used in the device. So just click on this, do this for all current items here. Click on the skip button and then just leave them be. Close this window. We will proceed with the next command, which is the %, 10%. Once you're done with this one, please click on OK or enter, and then we have here another set of bad files, registries, cache files, and the bad registries that we have in our device. So all you need to do is just to do the same process. Select everything by pressing the Control A button and then click on the delete button there in your keyboard or just here in this screen. And then once you do that, all this will be permanently deleted from your device. And once you're done with this one, we will proceed with the next, which is the prefetch. Once done typing, please click on OK or enter, and then you will get again the same, another set of bad registries, junk files, and cache files. So please do the same process. Control A and click on delete button there to delete everything from here. So since I have already optimized my device, and that's why you won't be able to see too many of the junk files in this section. So once you're done with this one, just close this window, and then the next thing we need to do is to go and search for the control panel or the registry editor. So we will go with the registry editor. So just please click on registry editor, click on yes, or you can just simply make a search here in the Windows search tab, registry editor, and you will get the registry editor option here in the best match. Once you have that, please go to, let me just minimize this everything in here. So you can now go to the HQ local machine, click on that, and then go to system, and then we will go to the current control set, and then click on control, and then here all you need to do is just to go to this right section, click on the wait to kill service timeout. So please make a right click on that, click on modify, set the value data to 2000, and then click on OK. And then once you're done with this one, proceed with the HKey current user. So here all we need to do is just to click on that, and then here, as this is being expanded, we will go to this control panel and then go click on the desktop. So once you're in the desktop, all you need to do is just to go to this right section here, make a right click, click on new, then click on key, and then I'm sorry, it's not key. So we need to go back desktop. So let me just delete this one, and we will make a 32-bit. So click on new again, the word 32-bit value, and then here all we need to do is just to type wait. So we will do the same thing with what we have seen in this section from the HQ local machine. Wait to kill service timeout. Once you're done typing this one, just please click on enter. And by the way, all you need, just please make sure that you need to type it the way I have typed it. Just no space, and then please make sure that you take note of the capital letters here. And then once you're done typing it, just please click on enter. Make a right click on that, click on modify, and please make sure that the value data is set to 2000. Once you're done with this one, click on OK, and then just close this window, make a quick restart with your device, and see the changes that it has made in your device. Okay, so that's it. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please don't forget to give this a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope I'll be seeing you again on the next one. Bye bye.